there was another trip we did after that, which was a bit shorter. It was Denver to Moab.
No, that's 10 days off.
And all through Utah, Arizona, California.
Yeah, they just don't realise.
Keith does it with his one. Keith, you remember Keith Hawkins? Older? He does that with his one. They go one in the valley and all that shit. Lee Godric recently done it too with his one. It's a one in the valley. And
Well, I reckon they'll just get over driving the car and see you again. Shit.
yeah, especially with
And
him.
after a couple of days of driving all the way and fucking down, you're just like, I don't want to see the car that long anymore.
Especially with children.
Battery breaker off.
Children, they can't do it. Yeah, this is me. See, the missus like half the time she was asleep. And when I drove to Billings, Montana, by accident, we didn't have a sat nav in the car. Everything just didn't have a sat nav. And we're using road maps. And then I didn't get to Billings, like officially get to it. But I saw a sign saying Billings exit number. And I noticed the sun was coming up in my eyes. I left Yellowstone at like 5:30 in the morning. And I said to her, the sun sets in the east, doesn't it? The sun rises in the east, doesn't it? No matter where you are. She's like, oh, what else do you mean? I'm like, I'm sure it's even in the northern hemisphere, it rises in the east. Right? And I'm thinking about it, I'm like, Billings, is that on our way? She goes, no, it shouldn't be. We should be heading west. And I already had been driving 1 hour wrong direction. It's not a hard drive, it's boring. I go, fuck it. I go, listen, you take over. I go, I'll navigate. And she goes, oh, what do I do? I go, get off the next exit. You jump in and you drive the other way on the interstate. As soon as she gets back on the interstate, I'm knocked out. And I feel something poking me. I hate being poked. And I wake up, I'm like, what do you want? She goes, this is boring. I go, how do you think I feel?
Yeah.
She goes, can you drive? I drive again. She just knocks out, falls asleep straight away. And just on the interstate, it's pretty boring. You got to take the long route and take all the highways, the old highways, like you were saying. You go to different routes, take breaks, maybe go see, things along the way, like museums, sleep, whatever. I'm gonna do it with the boys. I'm gonna start at Niagara Falls, which is like the top of New York, and come
You see this, you can get a distribution point.
and down.
Until you get where? San Diego.
California. Something like California. I've got a flight in California. I need a lot of time off work. I'm not going to do it for months. So everything I'm wrong. That's one thing, to remember before I die. Would.
Yeah, you've got to do it when you're a bit older.
Charging. Charge current?
And I'll go, you know that time when Dad was on that fucking slow road trip, you just had to sit in the car
No,
for like 2 months?
No, so I'm